In the Smart Water Conservancy Dispatch Center, the real-time aggregation of information, precise analysis, and rapid decision-making are the keys to safeguarding the safety of rivers. Facing complex flood conditions, data torrents, and the harsh requirements of 24/7 operation, the operational space demands an extremely stable and reliable core platform, the Kesino KCB Series control console, specifically designed to address such high-load mission scenarios. 1. Robust structural design for heavy-duty loads. The KCB Series features a 6063 T5 aluminum alloy main frame, capable of bearing up to 200 kilograms per meter with zero deformation over 20 years. This provides rock-solid support for multi-screen systems and heavy equipment in dispatch centers, ensuring unwavering stability during critical operations. The desktop is crafted from EO-grade eco-friendly HPL panels with a dense, moisture-proof, and scratch-resistant surface. Combined with polyurethane edge sealing technology, it effectively resists water vapor corrosion, creating a durable, comfortable, and environmentally safe workspace. 2. Professional wiring and cooling for 24/7 operation. To meet the demands of multi-host operation and intensive deployment of high-low voltage cables in dispatch centers, the KCB Series is equipped with a 500mm standard depth bottom cabinet and supports professional separated wiring for high-low voltage systems. This ensures stable equipment installation and efficient heat dissipation. Its unique, self-circulating natural air cooling design operates silently, guaranteeing 7/24 continuous operation and uninterrupted support for critical dispatch tasks. 3. Modular flexibility and human-centric details. The modular design allows flexible expansion of the operation platform, easily adapting to various partition structures or multi-screen brackets, perfectly aligning with the modern water conservancy dispatch need for global oversight on one screen and multi-source collaborative command. The ice blue ambient lighting not only creates a professional technological atmosphere, but also reduces visual fatigue from long-term monitoring. The thoughtful anti-collision leg design silently safeguards staff safety during intense dispatch operations. Designed for the rigorous environment of Smart Water Conservancy, the Kesino KCB Series integrates structural durability, functional professionalism, and user-friendly details, establishing itself as the ideal core platform for ensuring reliable water resource management and flood control decision-making.